Welcome everyone in today's video. In today's video we will learn as usual some sentences in English and Marathi. So please watch this video till the end, and if you like this video do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's see sentences. Today's video's first sentence is मला माहित आहे हे काम करतं. I know it works. I know it works. तू काळजी करू नको. You don't worry. You don't worry. ते अगोदरच तुझे आहे. That is already yours. That is already yours. तू एक दिवस पाहशील. You will see one day. You will see one day. मी काय म्हणते ते ऐक. Listen what I say. Listen what I say. मला ते दररोज पाठव. Send me that every day. Send me that every day. तिने तिचे लक्ष्य पूर्ण केले आहे. She has completed her target. She has completed her target. त्याच्याजवळ पैसे नाहीत. He has no money. He has no money. मला 1 रुपयाचा ठोकळा सापडला. I found a 1 rupee coin. I found a 1 rupee coin. मी तो भिकाऱ्याला दिला. The coin I gave to beggar. The coin I gave to beggar. तू आज काय केले? What did you do today? What did you do today? सर मला जाऊ दे. Move, let me go. Move, let me go. मी प्रवास करत आहे. I'm traveling. I'm traveling. मला प्रवास करायला आवडतो. I love to travel. I love to travel. मी तुझे पैसे परत दिले. Did I return your money? Did I return your money? नाही दिले. No, didn't give. No, didn't give. माझ्याजवळ सुट्टे नाहीत. I haven't change. I haven't change. मी उद्या दिले तर चालतील का? Is it okay if I give tomorrow? Is it okay if I give tomorrow? ठीक आहे, चालेल. It's okay. Alright. Alright. उद्या मला फोन कर. Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. तिला व्यायामाची गरज आहे. She need exercise. She need exercise. मी रोज व्यायाम करते. I do exercise every day. I do exercise every day. तिने करायला पाहिजे. She should do. She should do. तू एक निश्चित वेळ घेतली होती का? Had you taken an appointment? Had you taken an appointment? नाही. No. मग उद्या परत ये. Come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. तू तिच्यासोबत ये. You come with her. You come with her. मी नाही येणार. I will not come. I will not come. मी येईन. I will come. I will come. आम्हाला तो पत्ता सापडत नाही. We don't find that address. We don't find that address. आम्ही शोधून कंटाळलो आहे. We have tired by searching. We have tired by searching. आम्हाला सापडला. We found. आम्ही तिथे पोहोचलो. We arrived there. We arrived there. तू कधी येणार आहे? When will you come? When will you come? मी येतच आहे. I'm coming. I'm coming. मी रस्त्यात आहे. I'm on the way. I'm on the way. हे मी एका दिवसात पूर्ण करेन. I will complete this in one day. I will complete this in one day. मी परत येणार नाही. I will not return. I will not return. आमच्यासाठी स्वयंपाक कर. Cook for us. Cook for us. आम्हाला उशीर होईल. We will be late. We will be late. किती वेळ होईल? किती वेळ लागेल? How long it will take? How long it will take? 1 तास लागेल. It will take an hour. हो, तू केले. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. मी पाहिले तुला. I saw you. I saw you. बाहेर खूप थंडी आहे. It's very cold outside. आज लवकर घरी परत येशील का? Can you come home early today? हो, मी प्रयत्न करेन. Yes, I will try. Yes, I will try. मी निष्पाप आहे. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. तू मला दोष का देत आहेस? Why are you blaming me? Why are you blaming me? Hearty thanks for watching this video. I will see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye and take care.